Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if Remitly has a transfer limit. When you use Remitly to send money internationally, your transfer limits are not a single fixed number. Instead, they depend heavily on several core factors, including the country you are sending from, the country you are sending to, your chosen delivery speed, and your account verification level. To comply with international financial regulations and anti-money laundering laws, Remitly organizes its users into a tiered verification system. When you first open a new account and complete only the basic requirements, you automatically start at Tier 1. At this initial level, your sending capacities are strictly kept. Typically, a Tier 1 user can send up to $2,999.99 per single transaction, with a monthly cap around $10,000 and a 6-month limit around $18,000. These basic thresholds ensure that new accounts remain secure while initial background checks are processed. If you need to send larger amounts of money, you can progress to higher verification tiers, such as Tier 2 or Tier 3, and even custom levels. Moving up these tiers requires you to provide additional documentation to Remitly. This usually includes submitting a valid government-issued photo ID like a passport or driver's license, proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement, and occasionally details regarding your source of funds or the specific purpose of the transfer. Once you advance to Tier 2, your daily sending limit can increase to $6,000, with a monthly limit of $20,000. Reaching Tier 3 pushes those capabilities even further, allowing up to $10,000 daily and $30,000 monthly, while custom tiers can accommodate even higher volumes depending on your specific financial needs. Beyond your verification tier, the specific delivery method you choose plays a massive role in determining how much you can transfer at one time. Remitly generally offers different speeds and payout options, such as express transfers, economy transfers, and premier services. If you select an express transfer, which is designed for instant or rapid delivery through debit cards, credit cards, or mobile wallets, the per-transaction limit is often restricted to a maximum of $2,999.99. On the other hand, if you choose an economy transfer, which typically funds via bank accounts and takes a few business days, your per-transaction ceiling can stretch much higher, up to $10,000. For customers utilizing premier options or sending from specific high-capacity corridors like the United States, maximum single transactions can scale up significantly, reaching limits as high as $50,000 or even $100,000 depending on the exact pairing of origin and destination countries. It is also vital to keep in mind that the receiving country or the local payout partner can impose its own restrictions. For instance, if your recipient is collecting cash physically from a local partner merchant, bank, or payout location, that specific business might enforce a maximum cash payout limit that is lower than the amount Remitly allows you to send. Therefore, a cash pickup limit at a specific storefront might cap out at an equivalent of $1,500 or $3,000, regardless of whether your personal Remitly tier allows you to send more. To check your exact available limits at any given moment, you do not have to guess. You can easily find this information directly inside the Remitly mobile application or on their official website by navigating to your account settings or profile menu, where your active daily, monthly, and 6-month remaining allowances are clearly displayed before you ever finalize a transaction. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.